Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. You know, you can't get a V8 in the latest 1500 Ram, but you can get a Rough Country lift kit. Let's take a look at the 6-inch. All right, you get so much it barely fits on the toolbox. Let's go over what's included. We'll start with the front components and work our way to the back. Starting over here, we've got our front strut spacers as well as our preload spacers that give you the lift for the front. Next, we've got replacement tie rod ends specific to our lifted knuckles. Speaking of lifted knuckles, we've got a pair of these bad boys for you designed specifically to keep your factory geometry with the lift. Couple that with our sway bar drop brackets, our differential relocation brackets, and our front cross members, all designed to relocate and make sure your suspension stays in OE specs. And rounding out those front components, we've got our skid plate to protect your front differential. Out back, we get our lift from our coil spring spacers, and we're gonna pair those with our N3 premium shock absorbers. Our other components here are gonna be our extended sway bar links, our drive shaft spacer, our rear lower control arm relocation brackets, our bump stop relocation brackets, and finally, our track bar relocation bracket. Again, all designed to keep that rear suspension within factory specs. Now this kit not only lifts the truck 6 inches, but it's also gonna level it front to back to give you a great looking stance. And it's designed to do it while maintaining your factory ride. It's gonna give you higher ground clearance for better performance off-road and allow you to run up to a 35-inch tall tire, further increasing the kickassery of your Ram. So if you've got the latest generation Ram 1500, elevate your truck status today at roughcountry.com.